In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace email. This is a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have everything ready to go for your business email needs. Let's get started by heading over to Google Workspace. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, simply type Google Workspace into your browser's search bar and it should pop up as one of the top results. Once you are on the main page, look out for the admin console. It's your go-to spot for managing your Google Workspace settings. Log in using your business email account. Now, if you're new to this, remember that this is typically your company email address associated with Google Workspace. After logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the Google Apps menu located at the top right corner of your screen. Give it a click and you'll see several options. Find and click on the admin icon. It should look like a little gear or set of tools. Next, we're diving into the directory. Once you're in the admin section, one of your available options will be the directory. Clicking on the directory will bring up a range of administrative actions that you can take. What you'll want to do here is select the users option. This section is crucial for managing all the user accounts within your organization. Now it's time to add a new user. You'll see an option labeled Add New User. Go ahead and click it. This is where you start creating the email account for your new team member. You'll need to type in some key details, starting with the user's first name. This helps Google Workspace keep things organized and personalized. After entering the first name, move along to the last name. The next step is essential. You need to input both the primary and secondary email addresses for the user. The primary email will be associated with their Google Workspace account, while the secondary email can be used for recovery and additional contact options. Both of these fields are important to fill out accurately to ensure smooth communication and account safety. Finally, after all the necessary information is entered, confirm the details and click on Add New User. This action will officially create the account, giving your new team member access to the tools and apps available within your Google Workspace. You're all set. You've successfully set up a Google Workspace email, making collaboration easier and more efficient for your team. If you have any questions, feel free to revisit each step and ensure that all information is accurate. Thanks for watching and have a great day setting up your workspace.